Edge Cutter is an aesthetically pleasing roof de-icing solution engineered to prevent ice buildup, icicles, and ice dams on roof edges and valleys. Used in tandem with Heat-Line Paladin for roof or SR cut-to-length heating cables, the Edge Cutter 4-foot aluminum flashings slide under the roof material, leaving the channel exposed to accommodate the Heat-Line self-regulating heating cable. Once installed, the flashings act as a conductive heat transfer plate, helping prevent ice and snow buildup. Edge Cutter is commonly used on residential and commercial roof applications, where snow and ice accumulation can lead to ice dams, compromised drainage, and potential roof damage. Its versatile design allows installation under a variety of roofing materials, including asphalt shingles, aluminum, steel with optional membrane protection, and slate, making it suitable for both new construction and retrofit projects. For metal roof applications, Edge Cutter is available with a factory-installed urethane membrane to help protect against galvanic corrosion. With Edge Cutter, roof heat trace installations look great and stay protected. This purpose-built system replaces traditional serpentine heat trace layouts with a single run design. The channel flashing mechanically protects the heating cable, and by allowing a single straight run instead of serpentine applications, reduces the total cable length required. This results in lower material and operating costs while preserving a visually appealing roofline. Edge Cutter utilizes Heat-Line self-regulating heating cable technology to deliver reliable ice melt performance with exceptional energy efficiency. The self-regulating cable automatically increases heat output in colder conditions and reduces output as temperatures rise, ensuring consistent melting without the risk of overheating. The heating cable installed within the Edge Cutter channel continues into the gutter, down the downspout, and into connected drain lines to create a continuous meltwater path. Optional control accessories such as thermostats, timers, and snow sensors may be added to further optimize energy use. Eliminate roof edge ice buildup and simplify roof heat trace installations with a highly effective, visually appealing system trusted by contractors and property owners alike.